Hello friends, I am back to share with you a quick and easy recipe for lasagna. The star of the show today is my Ninja 4-in-1 Auto IQ. The ingredients we will be using today in our lasagna: a pound of sweet Italian sausage, half of an onion chopped, your favorite spaghetti sauce, ricotta cheese. Make sure to get the oven-ready lasagna noodles and 3 cloves of garlic. And of course, I forgot my mozzarella cheese. I'm going to try out my microplane garlic shredder today. I'm really excited to use it. Put your clove of garlic in and just put this on top and shred. It's not as easy as a garlic press, I'll have to admit. There's still garlic in there. And there's my garlic. Let's get it out. And there it is. There's my garlic. Alright, I'm going to set my Ninja for stovetop at the highest setting. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the Ninja, and I'm going to saute my onions and my garlic. The one thing I really love about the Ninja is you use only 1 pan for this whole meal, which is great. Now, I'm going to add the sausage and start breaking it apart. This is probably the hardest part of the whole meal. Now, you could use sausage like I'm doing here, or you could add sausage and ground beef, or you can do ground turkey or ground chicken, whichever you like, or whatever you might have in your fridge. That's kind of what I did. I'm going to add some salt to season my sausage. And I'm going to continue to brown up that sausage until it's completely done. And then I'm going to set it aside in a bowl, and I'm going to clean out the leftover grease. I'm adding the spaghetti sauce to the bottom so that the noodles don't burn. And now it's time for the ricotta cheese. Usually with my lasagna, I mix parsley and eggs and seasonings all in my ricotta cheese. But not this easy, quick lasagna. Cannot tell you how easy it is to put the ricotta cheese on top of the noodles. Usually my noodles are cooked and the ricotta cheese is sliding all around. Now it's time for that yummy mozzarella cheese. After the cheese, you put your meat mixture on top. Then it's spaghetti sauce. Then you put your noodles on top and repeat the layer. Now this last layer is a little different. You add your ricotta cheese like before, and then you do your tomato sauce, and then you put your mozzarella cheese. And I like lots of mozzarella cheese. Then just put the lid on. Alright, we're going to turn the Ninja on. Now the Auto IQ section, quick meals. Then we're going to turn it to number 20. And then we're going to press the start button. And in 30 minutes, we're going to have a wonderful lasagna meal. Alright, we are in the cooking process. And those of you that just have the 4-in-1 Ninja system, press steam for 30 minutes and I think that might work. This is my basil. I got this from my backyard. I'm just going to stack it up, just like that. And this scary pizza looking cutting thing, this is what I'm going to use to shred up my basil. Just be careful. Now, that's perfect. I'm going to use this to sprinkle on top of my lasagna. The color will be beautiful. I found these ciabatta rolls, and I thought it would be great if we just heated those up in the Breville and had it with our lasagna tonight. Here is some shredded Parmesan cheese. I will add that to the lasagna. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now I'm going to add some of the basil. Basil smells so good. Now, I love the color. It just makes the lasagna look so wonderful. I just can't wait to eat it. I hope you enjoyed our quick and easy lasagna. If so, subscribe and see you next time.